So that's the store entrance. Sofa cum bed, good one, with 3 drawer storage inside. Very classy, colorful. These are all the different cushion covers what they have. So today we are at a place where you get everything what you want. I would say that's for your home, your furniture, your dining, upholsteries, everything. आपको पता चल ही गया रहेगा हम कहाँ पे हैं. You're right. We are at Ikea, New Bombay. So now they have started the entries directly, so you don't have to do a pre-registration as it was earlier, where you need to do a pre-registration and you come down. But abhi waisa nahi hai, you can directly pop in over here. So I am at Ikea, that's at Turbhe. So देखते हैं आगे कैसा है, क्या है अंदर, what are the facilities and how to go about it and everything, what is there inside. Let's see. So as there is no registration, so queue बहुत ज़्यादा है. So now basically going inside, you get a message on your mobile number when you stand in the queue. So you just have to scan that. That's your pass to go inside. So once you get registered, you come on the first floor and you enter inside. So these people will be sending you inside one by one as per the room. So we are waiting for our turn. Let's see. Once you register, we go in. Again there is a queue. Screening and checking. So that's the store entrance of Ikea, and here we go. This is basically what they have updated, or what they have added is like a living area. Everything is mentioned with the price tag. That's good about it. So as you enter on the first floor, you have the restaurant and some basic things. I would say it's quite cheap enough to come down, and at least I would say that if you are going to home center or a lifestyle and you're buying things, you might get things cheaper than that over here. So for an example, if you are looking for a shoe rack, okay, that's how they have a shoe rack. Complete setup over here, so everything what you need for a kitchen. A dining area, stools, that's the bedroom what they have kept open. Bedding. I would say you don't need to go anywhere to buy anything once you are over here. The only thing what you want is money in your pockets. See the type of setup what they have made, and I would say it's a pretty good quality. Not bad compared to the prices. So for an example, if I say this brown and black bed, so they have kept it for a cost of around 19,000 rupees only. Red or pink setup. Oh, very nice. तो हमारी तो शॉपिंग चल रही है और मज़े में चल रही है। ऐसे देखने जाए तो यहाँ पे सब कुछ है। सो दो इज इट योर लिविंग रूम, योर डाइनिंग एरिया, योर किचन, योर बेडरूम, योर टॉयलेट, सब कुछ यहाँ मिलता है। और शायद मुझे काफ़ी लेट हो गया आने के लिए, बट अच्छा है मैं आ गया यहाँ पे, बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू सेट अप माई न्यू हाउस। सो काफ़ी फ़ायदा हो जाएगा यहाँ पे। जस्ट शो यू अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ द लिविंग एरिया। एक वाइट लिविंग एरिया, वाव क्या सेटअप करके रखा हुआ है, लवली। और ये तो मेरा ही लिविंग एरिया लग रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग। lavish white dining area। ये पूरा सोफ़ा सेट्स का सेक्शन है। इट्स गुड इनफ। एक 3 सीटर है। कॉस्टिंग इज हियर। पहली बार कोई चीज़ लगी चाइना की है, विच इज़ दिस थिंग, so that's made in India. कुछ यूनिक है ये। These are all book rack areas. You have different types of book rack areas. For the garden lovers. और इतना बड़ा है ये कि आप पक्का घूम जाओगे. So that's why they have given this thing. Just follow this arrows. ये शॉपिंग करते हुए एक लड़की आराम कर रही है. जितना मैं घूम रहा हूँ मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं खो जाऊँगा, इतना बड़ा है ये. सो अगेन आई एम नियर दी चेयर्स एरिया और अल्टीमेट चेयर्स है यहाँ पे. Now this is something around 3,000 rupees, so it's good enough, pretty good. Okay, 3,000 इसका and this chair ka some 6,000 rupees, so you get this complete setup at 9,000 rupees, but pretty good. जिसके घर पे बच्चा है ना उसके लिए ये कोई काम का नहीं है. ये देखो बच्चा पार्टी क्या कर रही है. ये यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया है हाउ टू फोल्ड इट एंड फोल्ड इट. अगेन अनदर गुड लिविंग एरिया. वाव, ऐसा लगा आई एम इनटू 1970s. ये तो ट्रेन हो गई है. वाव, अगेन अ रॉयल एनफील्ड. रॉयल एनफील्ड तो सब जगह छाई हुई है. एंड ओवर हियर वी हैव अ a toilet setup. Type of a children's room setup यहाँ पे किया हुआ है. Nice. इसकी तो ज़रूरत है अपने को. Your bedspreads. Again, starting at 799 only. So from dark to light, all combinations. ये है मिरर सेक्शन एंड ये भी ऑसम है. और भी कुछ बताइए. एंड आई वुड से ये चीप है काफ़ी. अभी ये जो है दिस इज 9000 एंड ये तो बहुत उससे सस्ता है. वो चीप हो. I like this one, which is this is all complete dining area. So all sort of dining tables, you will get it over here. All sort of dining tables, chairs also. So as I said earlier about delivering the items at your place, so that means you can just take a snap of this thing and you can show it at the billing counter. And what they can do, you just need to pay it and they will deliver it at your place. That is the facility what they have. You can avail that also. To avoid rush, I would say that you can come down on a weekday if possible in the evening time, because otherwise on weekdays it's completely jam-packed. You won't be able to see things properly because there will be people around you, and due to the current situations I would request you take good care of yours and keep the social distancing. So it's better to come down on a weekday as I did. So if you think that how can I carry all such things, or what all sort of questions, stay tuned on this blog. I will try to complete all your questions. So you can buy things over here, and it's not mandated that you need to carry them straight away. Also they have a facility where as per kilos they provide a facility where you can purchase things and deliver it at your place, wherever it is required in Mumbai. That facility is there, but that's chargeable. Some more chairs. And dining tables. This is a type of a kitchen what they have made over here. A complete setup. The gas hob, chimney. Crockeries. Another very nice red and white kitchen setup. Would be left some. This is basically in hotel industry. It's called a Garidon trolley. So you can find it over here. I never found this anywhere in any of these stores across, but they have kept it over here. So if you have a good big house to carry on food, you can keep everything on this and you can just carry your food. All sort of trays. Some kitchen equipments required. All sort of trays are kept over here. Sinks for your kitchen.
Coffee mug or something, or like a
these are the type of sheets which they will use for your kitchen trolleys. And these are the type of kitchen trolleys what they can make for you. So you can just you can choose it and you can get in touch with any of their executives and they will be able to help you. Even handlebars, and that's so cheap, I would say. So that means if you're buying this too, so they have mentioned over here, okay, this too 40 rupees, 2 pieces, this is 600 and so on. So now this simple bed without a storage, this is just for 6,000. Isn't that cheap enough? That's, I suppose, a wrought iron one. They have some of the other beds over here with storage. So this is something 24,000. This is 28 with again storage, a queen bed. Then they have another one. This is another queen bed, which is okay. This is 9990. Isn't that good enough? That's without the storage. But what else you want in 10,000 rupees? I have another one. I suppose this is with storage, so that's around 36. But pretty good, I would say. I have also seen number of beds, what are their costings, but this is बहुत अच्छा है ये. Some side tables, bedside tables, samples. So they are starting with 3,000. Good enough. And there's another one, and that's too good. Again, 42. Some more bedding examples, but why I'm repeating these beds because these are quite cheap. I would say they are बहुत सस्ते हैं. It's 13,000 rupees. Ah, lovely. And don't mind, this is only beds. The mattresses are separate, so don't get confused. Sofa cum bed, good one with 3 drawer storage inside. This is how the setup is. Wardrobes, what they have. Oh, this looks very nice. Very nice. Nice color. I'll just show you from inside. Oh, this one is also pretty good for 20,600. But there are no compartment in it. So this is also very nice what they have. Now you can buy this mirrors. Now this one piece is of 500, so you can buy 2 or 3 or 4 accordingly. They have a smaller option also. It's for 600 rupees. Apart from that, this is another option where you have 4 piece, which is for 1000 rupees. Quite a designer one. And there is another one, this one. So the price says you can buy this 10 pieces for 1290. Just a wow wardrobe, I would say. See this 4 sections for 114,300. Okay, this is sliding. There's another one, just 2 sections. It's for 42. And see this one in blue, royal blue. Just open it. some bunk beds. This is also good for 9490. This is very nice. What we see in movies. Get something for kids also. Some kids table, chair. These are tablet holders. Then they have laptop holders also. I saw it. They have some kids room lamps, pillows. How can you miss chairs for kids? They have kept this too. So this are, I would say this one 3000. So a range of starting of around 1490. Some kids wardrobe starting from 12,000. Good enough. This is completely bed sheets, soft pillows. Soft and pleasant. Small mattresses for them. Towels, bathrobes. How colorful that can be. The high chair just for 999. On the first floor you will be heading down to the another lower floor, and this is completely for the ladies. Yes, complete kitchenwares. The glass bowls, and they are not that expensive, I would say. Now this bowl, if we go for a Borosil one, I know that can cost you something 1000 rupees, but this is just for 33399 only, 400 rupees. And they have all sorts of bowls. See these ones. Again, these ones are for 399, the bigger ones. And they look very nice, cheesy. This is for your roastings, baking. I haven't seen so many baking plates at one point. Scoopers. Measuring jugs. What are you waiting, ladies? Come and grab yours. This complete section is about cutlery. Kitchen, I would say. Once you enter downstairs, it's all about kitchen. You move out from that section and you come down over here. This is all about glass and glass. All sort of jugs, pourers. See how nicely they are made. Ever you thought of you will get this one? This for 149, 1.8 liter. Tiffins for kid. Bigger jars for keeping your grains. The only thing when we see this is Tupperware, so they have something, food containers from Fruta, starting from 99. This is the tiffin section. I know most of the people are work from home, but yes, you can buy it because it's not always we will be working from home. We'll be going to the office also. Your dinner sets. You think and you will get it over here. No need to go anywhere. So this is all white. White section, a bit creamish. dinner bowls. See these ones, how good they are. You get a set of 4. And that set of 4 is for 999. A dinner set. This is for 4186 in blue. There's a pink too and a green. It's a 18 set. For the people who like dark, there's a black also. And this is the number of cutleries, spoons they have. And this is our section, all the hoteliers, glasses, goblets, small glasses. A roly-poly is also here. Some beer mugs, decanters, wine glasses, champagne glass. Coffee machine, coffee decanters. And you get this coffee makers for 500 rupees. Curtains, the complete curtain section. So this is basically priced as per meter. So you can choose anyone which you prefer and they will help you as per your whatever size you require. This is all your bedroom sets, cushion covers, bolster cases. Very classy, colorful. These are all the different cushion covers what they have, starting from 99 rupees. These are some curtains what they have. Again, they start as per the size, but starting range something around 600, 800, 900 and above. Best part is that you have these things also over here, so you have to run anywhere else, a hardware shop, to buy the rods, the hooks and everything. You can get it over here. यू वुड से दैट इसको तो सब कुछ पता है। नहीं, अभी भाई अभी मैंने अपना घर बनाया है, चल रहा है, इसलिए काफ़ी चीज़ें पता चल रही है। Some rods over here, some hooks over here, curtains. Some ready-made curtains over here also. Colorful. Your bedspreads. Again, starting at 799 only. All sort of scented candles. All flavors, strawberry, even banana, and you have vanilla, just for 199. Some aromatic flowers, and they smell wow. Some different types of vase for your flowers. So from dark to light, all combinations. For the people who have neck pain, back pain, they have taken care of that also over here. Multiple type of cushions. Your toiletries, whatever is required in your toilets, bathrooms, everything. From a small soap pourer till your handles and everything. Got your dustbins, different types of baskets, big boxes, everything. This looks like our Royal Enfield bag. Some jholas. And this is something pretty. Hooks. That's for $349. Some antiques. side lights. And pretty good. This is for n number of side lights. This looks very nice. This is antique. Spotlights. Some spotlights. I won't say some, they have many. Some hangings. That's again.
When the days are cold and the cards are
These are all sort of lights which can be used for your kid room. Are awesome. This one is for the type of collection what they have kept is awesome. Study lights. Again, some spotlights. Rugs. These are all sort of rugs. They start from again to $7.99 and above. This is all complete section about rugs, about mats. मुझे ये अच्छा लगा था and it's costing, but it looks very nice, elegant. Can you leave your living area without the frame or a painting? This is the section. From small to large frames, everything. They have made an example. What about this one? From basic watches, but I would say the basic one looks very unique, antique.